Welcome to Unit 3 Learning Target 12 review. I can write linear equations. All right, getting you ready for this learning target. We know for writing equations, which we've done, there are two basic forms, okay? Our two forms are y equals mx plus b, okay? If given the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, or we could use the form y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's for when we are given the slope and a point on the line. Okay, so every single time you have to ask yourself, well, what's the best form to use? All right, so here's our first example. We are given a picture of a line on a graph. So you might be thinking in your head, hey, I see a point. Some of you might be thinking in your head, oh, I see b equals 2. No matter which one you thought, you would have to decide which one would be best. If you see that point, b equals 2, great, then you're going to use y equals mx plus b. That's probably what everybody should be seeing. If it goes exactly through the y-axis at a whole number, then you should probably use y equals mx plus b. Okay, I don't see the slope, so you would have to calculate the slope. Okay, so I see a point right here, you know, that 0, 2. Where is another point on this line? It appears to be right here is the best point. So if we have to, we will make our slope triangle. Hey, is this going to be positive, negative, 0, undefined? Okay, it's going down, so it's negative. Negative how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, negative 4. And how many does it go over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, so for this line, our slope is rise over run, negative 4 over 5. Notice we write it as a fraction or as a whole number. Some of you have been writing it as points. We don't want that, okay? Fraction or whole number. So there's our slope. Again, you could use your point. I am going to use our b equals 2. So our equation, y equals negative 4 over 5x plus 2. Great. Let's look at another example. All right, so here we are. With the given information, write the equation of the line. So again, first thing you have to ask yourself is, for A, which form makes the most sense? Which form? Hopefully in your mind you're saying, okay, what am I given? I'm given a slope, and I'm given a point. So that would probably make the most sense. Point, slope. All right, so y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Do you have to write the form every time? No, I'm just writing it to refresh our memory. So I'm going to plug in y minus, okay, my y1 is negative 2, so I'm going to see plus 2 equals the slope, negative 1/2, times x minus x1, that's my 3, minus 3. Okay, done. Cool. All right, B, what form am I, or which form would make most sense? Oh, well, okay, first off, I'm missing information. I need the slope. Before anything else, I need the slope. I don't have that information yet. So I have to do m equals x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 for x2 minus x1. All right, so I've got y2, 12, minus y1, 4, over x2, negative 1, minus x1, 3. 8 over negative 4 is negative 2. All right, so now I have a slope of negative 2. And what other information do I have? Well, I've got points. So if I've got a point and a slope, I'd probably use point-slope formula. Okay, there are ways to do that to solve for the y-intercept, but you don't have to. So I'm going to use point-slope. Okay, look at, I've got x1 and y1 right there. So I'm going to do y minus 4 equals m negative 2 times x minus 3. Okay, so every single time, first of all, make sure you have the slope. Then ask yourself the question, which form should I use to write the equation? All right, thanks for watching.